Hi kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the stages of human growth. In this lesson, you will learn and understand that changes take place as you go through different changes of growth. Are you ready? How small were you when you were born? Changes take place as you go through different changes of growth. You get taller and bigger. Your appearance changes. Here are the different stages of growth. Infancy, from birth to 1 year old. Toddler, from 2 to 3 years old. Childhood, from 4 to 12 years old. Adolescence, from 13 to 19 years old. Adulthood, from 20 to 59 years old. Elderly or old age, from 60 years old above. Infancy, from birth to 1 year old. A baby or infant is born from the mother. When babies are born, they move independently from their parents, but still they can't do anything for themselves. They still depended on them for nourishment and care. Up until they are 6 months old, babies don't eat normal food. They only drink milk. Infants also need lots of sleep. They cannot talk. When something is wrong, they will let people know by crying. Then he grows, crawls, talks, stands, walks, and runs. He becomes a toddler. Toddler, from 2 to 3 years old. This stage is when a child is starting to toddle, which means wobbly walking. Aside from learning to walk, toddlers go through lots of other changes. Their teeth start to grow. They start learning to talk. Toddlers start learning to eat lots of food and feed themselves. However, they still can't do many things for themselves and need lots of help from the grown-ups. Childhood, from 4 to 12 years old. This is a stage where a human learns to be independent, which means there are more things that you can do on your own. This stage is starting school. Children learn to do lots of things such as reading, writing, counting, communicating with people, and many more. Adolescents, from 13 to 19 years old. This stage is also called as the teenage stage. Teenagers are getting ready to be adults and becoming independent. Their bodies change a lot during this stage. They experience puberty. They get taller and start to look more like adults. Adulthood, from 20 to 59 years old. After finishing school, the teenager becomes adult. Being an adult is also called being a grown-up. There are lots of things that grown-ups can do. An adult works and starts his own family. Elderly, from 60 years old above. Lastly, the old age or elderly. It is the later stage of being an adult. Their hair turns white and cannot walk fast and cannot run. This is the time to enjoy themselves and may find a new hobby or spend extra time with their grandchildren. Once again, these are the stages of human growth: infancy, toddler, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and elderly. Arrange the pictures from infant to elderly to show the stages of a man's life. Put them under the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's check your answer. Stage 1, infancy. Stage 2, toddler. Stage 3, childhood. Stage 4, adolescence. Stage 5, adulthood. And stage 6, elderly. Once again, these are the stages of human growth. Say yes if the sentence is correct, and say no if it is not. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. You get older as you grow. The answer is yes. You do not learn anything as you grow. The answer is no. You learn to do many things as you grow. The correct answer is yes. You grow and change. And the answer is yes. You do not change as you grow. The answer is no. You change in size as you grow. The correct answer is yes.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.